Now we're going to look at how the remainder theorem works. So before we jump into the remainder theorem with polynomials, I want you to think about the remainder theorem with regular numbers so that you understand the format of our answers. So if we have 16 divided by 5, 5 does not go into 16 evenly. It goes into 16 3 whole times with a remainder of 1. So putting this in the format that we're asked, what we're dividing by times the answer of our division plus the remainder. So 16 equals what we're dividing by times the answer plus the remainder. So 16 equals 5 times 3 plus 1. Now we're going to take a look at how that works with polynomials. Setting up our division, because we're dividing by a single term, we can use our synthetic division. So our coefficients, we have 3x to the 5th, 0x to the 4th, negative 1x cubed, 2x squared, 0x, and 6. Negative 4 is already outside the asylum, so we're going to put negative 4 on the outside, dropping down our 3, multiplying by negative 4, adding, multiplying by negative 4, adding, multiplying by negative 4, we get negative 188, adding 2, negative 186 times negative 4 is 744, multiplying by negative 4 is negative 2,976, adding that to 6, we get negative 2,970, so there's our quotient. Rewriting this in that format, f of x, and I'm not going to write it all out, equals x plus 4, putting that back into the asylum. We make that negative 4 that we divided by opposite, so this is where I'm getting that plus 4. And then our answer is going to go next, so 3x to the 4th, remember drop a power, minus 12x cubed, plus 47x squared, minus 186x, plus 744 to finish our quotient, and then our remainder just gets tagged on the end, minus 2,970. So we'll take a look at that one more time. Again, we can set up synthetic division for this one. So we have our coefficients, negative 1x to the 4th, negative 7x cubed, 1x squared, 0x, and a negative 9. Dividing by 3, it's already outside the asylum. Drop down that negative 1, multiply by 3, add, multiply by 3, add, negative 29 times 3 is negative 87. Adding that to 0, and multiplying by 3 one more time gives us negative 261. So we get a total of negative 270. Setting up our quotient, we get f of x equals what we divided by times the result, negative x cubed, minus 10x squared, minus 29x, minus 87, and then we just tack the remainder on the end.